Hazrat Noman bin Bashir radiyallahu anhu states, I was near to the pulpit of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam when a man said after embracing Islam, if I do not do any good deed beyond serving the pilgrims water, I do not care. The second one said after embracing Islam, if I do not do any good deed save providing service to the sacred mosque, I do not care. The third one said, jihad in Allah's way is more excellent than acts of worship you mentioned. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu reprimanded them and said, do not raise your voices near the pulpit of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. That day was Friday. After performing the Friday prayer, I entered the presence of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and asked his decree about the issue about which they had different opinions. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu whereupon revealed this verse. Then do you hold the offering of water to the pilgrims and service to the sacred mosque equal to one who believed in Allah and the last day and struggled in the path of Allah? They are not equal in the sight of Allah, and Allah guided not the unjust. Surah Tawbah verse 19. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 4848.